Send Lynn some kitty mail? Should we send Milo some kitty mail? Do you want to send him some kitty mail? You're so cute. Don't forget your whole food is downstairs. All your dinner's right here. I keep putting like dinner upstairs for them. Don't forget you got a whole smorgasbord down there, sugar. Hi. Well, for anybody at Milo that hasn't been to Kitty Charm School yet, this is your kitty's nice suite. It has 8 levels. It goes all the way up, and they have a skybox. And kitties love to hang out in a skybox, and so do you. Look at you, you little adventurer. You little adventurer. Should we show them a skybox? Oh, here. Linus, you want to show off your skybox? Good boy. So that's one of the many rooms, and they're all different sizes. Some are as big as a bedroom and a house. And these guys have a medium sized. You're good, and you should see them in that bed together. And boy, do they love that sky. I'm shutting the door on you. Boy, do they love that skybox. And we have hammocks, and over here's the super big bedrooms. You can see these. Ruby, say hello. So you get the idea. That's a kitty mail for you from Kitty Charm School of your sweet little Alice and Juvie. What'd you do? Oh, you came down. What are you doing? Kitty mail.